What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel, into my kitchen. But I'm not in the kitchen. I'm actually in my car. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, how to cook. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thumbs up the video, saw me on your way in, okay? Because you want to support me, that's the channel, girl, okay? So go ahead and show your love and support simply by giving the video a thumbs up. Long time, right? Long damn time. But I just want to come on here, come chat on it real quick while I eat some food. I figured I'm not cooking right now because you know I'm a day in the car. And I know I'm past overdue. I have not uploaded a video in like for damn ever, okay? For damn, did it damn ever. I have not uploaded. So, here I am, blessing your screen. So, let me talk about some things. Before we talk about some things, we are going to get into this food, okay? Alright, so I went to this fish and shrimp spot. They are located here in Atlanta on Tar Boulevard. This is Tar Boulevard. Yeah, they're on Tar Boulevard. The place is called Fish and Shrimp. All right, let me see. It's close to Highway 138 because me are going to some pointers. By the time they get Jim, I'm already gone. So I'm see if. Alright, so they are. I don't know what the plaza the name now. It's a little plaza. It's a plaza, of course, because I know it's a judge. It's all about plazas, right? But the place is called Fish and Wings. May I look on it right now? Fish and Wings. It is on Tar Boulevard between Highway 138 and I remember the road is a name, but they're kind of 138, right? They have Kroger's here, they have the UPS here, they have American Deli, a lot of things going on in here, okay? So you can't miss it. Alright, so, yeah. Anywho, I did pick up some fish and shrimp with fries. This was, with tax and everything, it was $14 and change. And it comes with a drink. Now, I did order half lemonade, half strawberry. I don't know how it tastes, but it comes with the drink anyway, so I took it. I've ordered from these people several times, and I absolutely love their fish. Now, I did order tilapia. We're not about to come about the tilapia business, okay? Okay? I did order tilapia with my food. I have other fish, but me the one with tilapia. And I did order some tartar sauce. I guess this is hot sauce. I don't want that. And I did get, it's a cocktail sauce. I guess this is for the shrimp. I'm not going to use that. And then I did get some blue cheese also. I'll probably carry home. Is that the plant my daughter carrying? But it is. I'll probably bring home the drink because I do have a cup here with ginger ale. It's so good. Alright, so here's my food. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so we have our fish here. So I get 2 tilapia. So I get 2 tilapia and 10 shrimp. Alright, so let's do a thumbnail here. Okay, so yeah. I think they sprinkle some kind of a season on it. The season looks salty. But like I said, I've ordered from them many a times and their food is pretty good. If it wasn't good, believe yeah, they do put some season on it. I guess the season is optional. She did ask me about the season and I said yes. Not really sure what it was, but I said yes anyway. Alright, so this is the shrimp. That looks all so damn good. And the fish is fried to perfection. Okay. Well fried. Them food is good. Okay. So if you're on this neck of the hood, order yours, boo. Oh, look at that cat. It's pretty good, y'all. I love blue cheese. Love me some blue cheese, okay? Anyway, you guys, let's taste them fries up. The fry is good. I like it. I like it. Y'all, that is funny from my mouth because I just had some extra work done to my mouth, dental work. So my mouth is very sensitive. My teeth. For those of you guys that have been following me on my other channel, Life with Juliana, and I don't know, I've been getting work done on my mouth. Lots of damn work, you guys. We'll eat. You smile it, and they only give you one. But then I have some other sauce over this in the car because I usually save the sauces in the car. So if I run out of this, I have some sauce over this one. But look at that. It's hot. It's hot, but it's good. I like it. But the sauce, I almost finished. I think they went down on the size. Oh, this is hot. This is real hot, okay? It's well seasoned. That's hot. That is freaking hot. Let me try the tartar sauce because I do like tartar. I'm not in love with tartar sauce, but I eat it sometimes. But yeah, y'all, your girl has really been getting some stuff done here at the dentist, okay? Today was my follow-up appointment. Doctor said everything looks good. I still have a little bit of swelling. I did have dental implants done, okay? That's good. I like the shrimp, but I think though, and that's my opinion, I think the shrimp is a little bit overcooked. Just a little bit. Just a little bit overcooked, the shrimp. But not bad. It's good. It's giving. Y'all don't know, say, Juliana, I get full easy, you guys. I'm not gonna eat all of this out of frame. I'm gonna carry some of this home. You know what I mean? But this fish is good. My daughter's calling me. Oh, it's hot. And that's one thing I like about this place, right? When you order the fish, that's when them fried. Them have it, they put on long time, I wait. You know what I mean? Like some place. You have to wait until they fried. But I just want to come on here really quick with you guys and say hello. Because I know that y'all miss me. Some of y'all. This is giving crunch. This is giving crunch, okay? I'm gonna have to go easy upon them teeth right now. Because them still tender. Crunchy. It's a little bit salty though. It's just weird how I cook with ketchup, right? But I don't like it directly on my food. That's weird, right? That makes no sense. I cook with ketchup, but I don't put it directly on my food. That is seriously weird. Alright, let's try this on the fries. Tartar. Is this mayo? Oh no, this is tartar also. My husband will eat this. Anything when I not eat off, no eat it off. My husband, what I'm getting business. Okay. 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 This is good though. I need to start cooking my own damn food. But I'm hungry. I do cook, y'all. I do cook every day. Well, not every day. But I do cook. Because I do have a Jamaican husband who love eat. But what I've been doing, I cook enough to last for like 2 or 3 days. And sometimes when them 3 days that come, I don't feel like cooking. Find something with the road. I don't be cooking like I used to, you guys. Like right now, I'm eating this. And when I get home, I'm not cooking. I have leftovers from Sunday. And I have leftovers the day before that. I have rice and peas in my fridge. I have a steak, pot roast steak. I have salmon, brown stewed, in my refrigerator. Right now. My husband can't eat that. If he wants. Like, period. So, I don't have to cook if I don't want to. Because she will definitely find something to eat. Y'all, these fries are busting. I ain't even gonna lie. The fries is busting. For real. I think I'm done, you guys. Really? I think I'm full. I think I'm full. Look at that. My husband make her some feed. I'm gonna make do with this. So this is for hubby. Can't eat and left him out, don't it? He will eat and left me out doing on. He will eat and leave me out. My husband will eat off my dinner in the house. He will. He will. I'm gonna put my trash in there so clean car, you know? But yeah, you guys, I want to come on here real quick and say hello. I think we need that toothpick now. just to say hello to you guys. I let y'all know that I didn't forget y'all at all. Oh, excuse me. I didn't forget about y'all. But that was good. May I carry on the juice film too. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. I just wanted to come on and say, what's up? What's up? What's up? And so you guys will be seeing your uploads very soon. But in the meantime, go over and subscribe to my channel. Life is really okay, because I'll be over there. I'll be over there. Okay? I'll be over there. On that channel. Doing the day with it. I do story time. I don't only do home decor over there, you guys. I do vlogs. All kinds of stuff. You know what I mean? So, go subscribe to that channel. Alright, I'm about to head out. I want to say I love you guys to the moon and stars. Thank you for all of you guys that have subscribed and stay subscribed and not unsubscribe, because I'm now upload up on their channel. You know what I mean? I love you guys to the moon and stars, okay? Alright, so this glasses actually, this glasses is actually my reading glasses, you guys. Yes, it's sunny out here. It does change to the mood, and I needed to read and to see. It's a shade / everything, so that's why I had it on the entire time. But for those of you that have not subscribed to my channel Life with Juliana, you wouldn't know. If you was subscribed to my channel Life with Juliana, you would have known. So this are actually my reading glasses. Alright, but that is it, you guys. I love you. How much time you gonna set up? I know that you're waiting patiently for your uploads for your cooking, and they're coming. But I just don't want to just put cooking up here. I want to put other things that is food related. And I think I already told you guys that already in another video. And then also, did I go through things with my teeth? Y'all, I was getting myself prepared for, I'd say, a couple of weeks ago, maybe like 2 months ago. I was getting myself prepared to have a major dental work done. And the reason why I say major is because one thing though, because the teeth them are tightened together now. Everything I eat, it stick. My floss, I have to floss all the time, constantly now, 10 times the amount of time. But that's okay. All right, so I had to get my body prepared to have this procedure done, because the thing is, I have a heart condition, right? I have a heart condition. So because I have a heart condition, I can't just because I have a heart condition, I can't just do like regular people do, like, oh, I want to go to the dentist and I'm there. I have to get treated first before I can sit in a dentist chair, right? Because I could easily bleed out. That makes sense? I could easily die. Right there. Maybe not right there, maybe in the hospital, but who knows? I could just go in a frenzy and pass out, okay? So because I have 3 of them at the valves, and I have a rheumatic heart disease, and my heart is damaged. So I have to make sure that I get treated. Can't tell you on this thing because YouTube, you know what I mean? You can't use certain words, but you guys could Google it, heart murmur and what's affiliation with dental work, okay? You will see it. there. But if me mention YouTube been messing with my damn channel, they've been taking down a lot of my videos, my own damn contents. So I have to be very careful what I'm saying or what I'm telling you guys, especially when I'm making certain things like teas and all them something that they be taking down those damn those videos. All right, so but yeah, I have to get actually get treated first before I could get any procedure done from a dentist. Whether I'm doing a simple cleaning, you know what I'm saying? So if I get cut, y'all, I could bleed out. Okay, so I was getting treated for that, and then I had to go in and get a root canal, and then I have to go in and get filling. I think I got the filling first, and then the root canal, and then I had to get some adjustment on these teeth because I did have dental implant. So my existing healthy teeth, excuse me, they had to take care of those first. I make them look more fuller and more bigger. That makes sense. They had to treat my teeth first, so if I had any gaps in those teeth, they would have filled in those gaps, and so that's what they did. And then I had after they did that, then I had a cleaning. So the cleaning was the last thing that I did, and then before I could get the procedure, I had to go and get my gums treated. Right, so I'm gonna have to do that, so that way I don't have any infections or anything. Make sure someone have the gum disease and all them something there. So I had to get my gums treated, so that way once I get those implants in, I don't get infected. Neither do I bleed out, because remember they screwing that thing in your inside of your mouth. So I had to get that done, and that took a couple of weeks, and it comes with discomfort, you know what I'm saying? Now I did have the procedure done, I think it was last week. Yeah, I think it was last week, because today is Wednesday. You're gonna see this today. Today's Wednesday, and so I think I had it last week. This is my third follow-up appointment. So since I've had it, so it's probably about a week and a half since I had the procedure done. So today is my third follow-up appointment. The doctor said everything looked good. I did have some swelling, like major pain, but there's no infection, so that's good. I do take ibuprofen, 800 milligrams, and it works. Okay, and so that's good. But I have one more follow-up appointment to do, which is next week, and I'm just hoping that everything goes well, and that there's no more swelling or nothing like that. I'll go on here. So reject call, you know. So I'm just hoping that there's no sweat. I'm hoping that the swelling that I do have, because it does make my face look a little poochy. I have round face regardless, but you know, when you have missing teeth in the side for a long time, this goes in a little bit, so now it comes out, so it makes my face look a little bit more round, cute and round. And so yeah, but the swelling is going down. It feels a lot better today, to the point where I could actually eat, because for days I couldn't eat nothing. I was just drinking mostly, and drinking porridge. Last night for me, dinner was oatmeal for dinner. So, and I've been drinking a lot of watermelons and stuff. So yeah. All right, so anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave that right here. We're done with this one. I'm not gonna promise uploading anything this week, but I know that I'm going to be uploading next week. At least 2 videos a week. It could be anything food related, right? But we're going to do some things. And I also want to start going live, but I really wanted to start doing that when, you know, when my mouth totally heal. You know what I'm saying? I can do a voiceover and all of that, but I don't want to see me talk funny. same way. So I want to make sure that the swelling and everything, and there's nothing going on, no infections or nothing going on in my mouth before I started to do anything face up like that. Right, but that is it, you guys. I'm going to be running. I'm probably right now about an hour and I say 30 minutes away from home. Take my time and drive, go home. I'm in the hood because everything's better in the hood. Okay, and so I'm on my way home now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time just to listen to what I gotta say and to watch me eat half of my meal. And with that being said, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.